Hello, my name is Megan Thornton, and I live in Alameda, California, which is in the San Francisco Bay Area, really close to Oakland. And my involvement with individuals with autism spectrum disorders professionally is very limited. I have not taught any students with autism. I haven't taught any students with autism. I've worked as a substitute, and so I've worked with some students with autism spectrum disorders, and the student that I've been observing for the classwork for this program has an autism spectrum disorder, but I don't have a lot of experience professionally. Personally, my brother has Asperger's, and so I've grown up with somebody who has an ASD, and and I have some other friends of the family, and so I'm familiar and comfortable with people with ASDs, but I have not taught them. Let's see. Most proud of learning. I've been really, there's been a lot of new information in this program for me, and I really enjoyed learning. I really was interested and excited to learn more about the exercise in evidence-based practice, and I thought that was really fun to learn about and interesting, and there's a lot more to it than just exercise. So that was something that I really enjoyed learning about. My bucket list for the next 5 years, I would love to, I couldn't tell for sure if this was supposed to be school-wise. School-wise, I'd love to get a job teaching resource at a middle school. Hopefully that's what I'll start doing in the fall. I've taken 10 years off while raising kids, and now I'm getting back into work. But my big bucket list item personally is to go to Cambodia. That's something I would love to do within the next few years. All right, looking forward to working with you guys.